finished flying at the...
So we finished flying.
It's gonna be hard.
It's gonna be good.
Let's
Okay,
try to do the
let's do
same.
it.
And we finally arrived at the race.
The race.
Oh my god.
And we're done. I'm
Don't do this.
In that case, we're at the drone races.
Yeah.
And we'll see how it goes.
Oh
Okay,
my
ready?
God.
Okay, that's beautiful intro.
I think you got it.
We went to the X-Class drones race to see Zoe compete.
Oh, how you doing? What's that?
Oh my god, so cool.
We're all here.
So what happens with this is that each car, we have different stock cars. This is its own division.
Yeah.
And each car has its own divisions, and X-Class is its own division among the cars.
Really?
So they'll do their own race,
Yeah.
then they'll go off the track, and then we'll do our own race on the track, and then...
That's so
Awesome.
cool.
It is.
I should have recorded all
Cool.
that.
A whole different way of drone racing.
I think it's fucking massive.
It is.
Holy shit.
Being good for $20.
For real?
Yeah.
Oh, but
Is that an HD camera?
Yeah, it's a 1080p SQ12 camera.
That's cute.
For what?
Is it
Just
good?
for extra? What does that one do?
So the front camera captures the front like
Yeah.
you're used to.
Yeah.
This camera is pointed towards the back and the audience.
Oh,
So-
nice. What a good idea.
Yeah.
Oh, it's getting serious over there.
Recording live from the race in
Breaking rocks in the hot sun. I fought the law and the law won. I fought the law and the law won. I needed money cause I had none. I fought the law and the law won. I fought the law and the law won. I miss my baby and I feel so sad. I guess my race is run. Well, she's the best girl that I ever had. I fought the law and the law won. I fought the law and the...
Pay attention.
I got allergies. If I remove that, I'm gonna sneeze in 5 minutes. But I'm gonna remove it for you guys. I feel like we are experiencing the first, like the underground of something that's gonna become super big soon. Like drone racing is not gonna be underground like this, like in the middle of cars and stuff. It's gonna be
Proper event.
proper event, and people are gonna come to see drones.
Because we can clearly see
Because
them.
we can actually, we can actually see them, and it's very exciting.
It's exciting.
And you can really enjoy the race. And I feel we're only that much away from it, from actually making this a sport that people enjoy watching.